there are companies, especially if you're at the enterprise level, you still have a ton of legacy or heritage or whatever we want to call the traditional software model that grew out of a physical CD key that you had to catalog and keep in a drawer somewhere, to today where your ELP is literally just logging in and seeing what your portal says, right? And so it's not either or. You have to be able to do both effectively in order to manage your software portfolio. And it's finding that healthy tension and where in your specific company and your enterprise the low-hanging fruit and the largest value drivers are for your company that will bring value to you and your career and your company, that they can either reinvest or return to stakeholders. You need to have both because you have two fundamentally different types of software in your enterprise, and you need to be able to manage them both well. I think there's a question here about where are you on your journey as an asset management organization? Um, do you work in a highly regulated industry that you need to have that legacy heritage on-prem nailed down so that you can minimize and show business risk when it comes to external auditors? Or are you at a company that's rapidly growing that is shifting its business model that is SaaS forward? I think the fastest way to business value is with a SaaS management platform. It probably makes sense to invest in a SaaS management platform first because you're going to be able to show value realization to your executives on a much quicker timescale. And then you can use that to say, hey, this is why we also need to capture and manage on the other side. It's not an either or question. They're very complementary platforms. You need to have both, particularly at the enterprise level. And that comes from somebody that works in a space where, heck, Salesforce kind of invented SaaS software.